Alright, guys. Historic autograph. Holiday gift box time. Draft your hit. Let's see what we got. Alright, the box. The box that we got is, surprise, surprise, 1819 Donruss. It's listed, I believe, $78 on the website right now. And next up is the baseball. Baseball is, looks like Bruce Sutter. Bruce Sutter baseball with an inscription. And that is Beckett certified. Next item is the jersey. John Hannah, old school New England Patriots Hall of Famer. John Hannah, Hall of Fame 91. And our photo is Bill Dudley. Bill Dudley. 1966 Enshrinement Beckett certified. And then we've got the little pouch here. That's all the items. This is the pieces from the trash. Grover Cleveland and FDR. Alright, Streak 27. Number one pick is all you. Let me know where you'd like to go. Draft away.